So, in our last assignment, we learned about the Odyssey, the beginning of it, the opening close read that we did. We learned about Odysseus and his men and their travels back from the Trojan War. The first major event that we want to talk about and learn about in this section will be the Cyclops. Take a look at the assignment that you have in front of you. There's going to be 4, 5, 6, 7 groups available for you to read. You'll be assigned a number. I'm going to read a section of the Odyssey Cyclops episode and then give some textual evidence. It will be required that you interpret what you've read and talk a little bit about the evidence that backs that up. That's one of the most important parts of what we do when we read is look for the textual evidence. So in that section, you're going to see a guiding question. There'll be anywhere from 2 to 4 or 5 of those in that section. You'll have a set of lines that you'll need to read. So you'll need to download both the Odyssey Cyclops episode as well as the specific questions that you've been given. So in each one of those guiding questions, you're going to be asked 1 or 2 questions, and then you'll be required to give your answer and evidence that backs that up. So you'll look back at the text for that evidence. And then finally, you'll talk about the significance of that section. What does that mean about the plot? What does that mean about the character of Odysseus or perhaps the Cyclops that he's facing? And then finally, at the end, you're going to see a synthesis question. And that one's basically asking the same one on each one of them. Why is that section important? What does it reveal about this epic? Or maybe the theme, the big idea of that section, or about myth itself. And when we're finished, we're all going to come together and we'll take a look at all of these sections. So it's required that everyone do your work on this so that when we have our whole class discussion, we'll be able to fill in all the questions. Then we're going to watch not only the Odyssey Cyclops section, but another film that adapts that. So that will be the next thing that we do for this assignment. So go ahead, download those 2 documents now.